Hello everyone, welcome back to IT System Admin. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to change DNS server IP address on Windows 11 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. Changing DNS address will bypass ISP restrictions and increase internet speed on your Windows 11 computer. Now I am going to show you how to change DNS address. Right click on Start menu, click on Settings. In left pane, click on Network and Internet. Click on Ethernet. Scroll down. Here you will find IP assignment, automatic DHCP, and DNS server assignment is also automatic DHCP. And click on Edit button here. Click on automatic DHCP and select manual and turn on IP version 4. And here in preferred DNS, type 8.8.8.8. This is the Google server preferred DNS. And in alternative DNS, type 8.8.4.4. This one also Google DNS server IP. Now click on Save. Look, IP version 4 DNS servers 8.8.8.8 and 8.8.4.4 is set. This is the easiest way to change DNS server address on Windows 11 computer. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.